Ooh, gorgeous. I love the silkiness and the sweetness of butternut squash. I drizzled this with some olive oil, some salt. It's gonna be crazy delicious in my lasagna. I'm going full cheese here. 3 kinds of cheeses, starting with ricotta, which is actually made from the whey leftovers of cheese making. Pretty good way to use up leftovers, if you ask me. And then some pecorino romano. Pecorino's kind of like Parm, but it's a sheep's milk cheese, which means it has more fat, and when you age it, more flavor. It's a little bit more sharp. So much yumminess. So much cheese. Maybe I went a little overboard. I don't really think you can go overboard when you're talking cheese and lasagna. Between this and my bechamel sauce, this is gonna be some ooey gooey lasagna. 1 mo cheese, mozzarella for the top. I'm making a bechamel sauce, but I'm gonna make it just a little different with lots of basil. Oh, that smell, it makes me happy. And I'm still managing to get some green into this very decadent lasagna. So a good bechamel starts with this. Not a lot of it, but just enough to make a roux. I do want to flavor it up a bit, so I'm going for some garlic, because lasagna without garlic, what's the point? The other thing a roux needs, flour. The butter essentially hydrates the starch granules in the flour, and that's what helps the liquid thicken up. Just gotta cook the flour a little bit to get the raw starchy taste out. And now for the milk. Once it bubbles, it's ready for some basil. This means it's lasagna time. Some fresh spinach, because it wilts and cooks so quickly. The oven will do the job for me. No additional step needed. Remember the mozzarella? How could I forget? This one's ready for the oven, and I could not be happier. It's like a little pillow of cheesy goodness. It's so creamy, it's so cheesy. And the basil and the garlic have this incredible perfume that just makes everything better. When it comes to food, I really can't help myself. I want to taste every flavor, learn every technique, learn all the science behind it. I may be a bit of a food geek, but it's the good kind of geek to be.